In today's video, we are going to show you how to never forget a birthday again by using Google Calendar to set up birthday reminders. It's super easy and will keep you on top of all your friends and family's special days. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that we need to do once we are in the Google Calendar, go to the Create button on the top left corner and click an event. And that's going to be, of course, a birthday reminder. You can add a location, you can add your guests, you can also add Google Meet video conferencing. If you're not going to be able to make it on time, you can do so. And the more options gives you more control if you wanted to add a small description. Let's say, for example, are you busy? Are you free? You have the default visibility. Is this reminder public for all people, or is going to be like a private? You can do so. Again, remember, you can add a location. And if the date is going to be, let's say, December 30th, I guess, and the time is around 6. Let's say we're going to kick, and then we're going to choose maybe 9 p.m., like 6, 9. And then you can also choose the time zone if you want. For example, if you're currently in the US and if you wanted to call the reminder around UK time, you can do so. You have all these controls for you, and once you are happy, again, you have the ability to add a guest, modify event, invite others, or see the guest list. You can do so, but for now we're gonna click the save event. All right, as you can see, the birthday reminder has been added here. In the left side, you can also have the option to invite via link. You can share that to your friends, your family, or on the birthdays right here. You can also change that into a red, maybe a red one, something. And you can, of course, you want to make sure to click on the birthdays. And you can also add more here if you want. And basically, that's how you use Google Calendar for birthday reminders. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and we will see you again in the next video.